Hello, it's Tom Donald from the London Contemporary School of Piano, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Our channel is packed with great tutorials that will really skyrocket your piano playing to the next level. We have some mind-altering tutorials on a whole wide range of topics, from improvisation, how to have more fun with the piano, how to get joy out of playing the piano and not be intimidated by this amazing instrument, some tips on how to improve some of your favorite pieces, some great piano techniques and practices that will help you play better and get a better sound from the instrument. We also have some fantastic tutorials on harmony and understanding chords, the building blocks of Western music and all the great music that has been written for the piano. We are a contemporary piano school which focuses on different and more exciting ways to enjoy and love the piano, and we're based here in London on Baker Street. We run online courses and offline courses in our studios here, and we have people from all over the world who come and travel to us and learn new ways to experience the piano, and it's a great deal of fun. So why not subscribe to our channel and find out more about what it is we do. Looking forward to seeing you on the videos.